Fitness Friday. Single leg deadlift utilizing the foam roller. Great exercise for balance and also core stability with some glute activation and lat activation. Getting you strong. Here we go. So I got Dr. P. She's going to be my example, my demo here. We're going to lock the foam roller in on the same side with the foot and the hand. This engages the lat muscle, which connects with the glute. But what she's going to do is she's going to push that leg back utilizing that foam roller and keeping a neutral spine all the way through. She's going to make sure that her hips are staying flat to the floor, and then she's going to come back up and return to the starting place, trying to hold that balance for an extra variation and difficulty towards the exercise. And again, neutral spine all the way through. You can see we could balance a pole on that back and it wouldn't budge. Let's go 10 times on one side, and she's gonna flip and go 10 times on the other side. Same thing, what we're doing is balancing on that leg. Remember, a slight bend in the knee. We can see it's forcing her to focus on her balance and pushing that leg back there for some glute activation. Give it a go, try it out, and let's get strong today.